This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Gunstock interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, air conditioning, Skylight, TV antenna, microwave, LP detector, smoke detector, Colorado detector, self-contained, external shower, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is 5,392 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.